How's it going, guys? So we are out again today on a little adventure as we got some nice weather. I'm with my nephew. We're just down the Pebble Beach. What's this area called? Is it Abbotsford?
I have no idea.
We're not sure where, but anyway, it's probably about 20-30 minute walk from where we live. So we're getting out enjoying the weather while we can. Just gonna make up some sweet and sour chicken and just relax for a while. So stick with us and I'll catch up with you in a bit. So the water's on now. Shouldn't take too long to boil. It's nice today because there's not much wind and it's been real windy lately, so I've been having trouble cooking stuff outside along by the coast here. But yeah, my nephew's just gone out to have a little explore around, just sitting here enjoying the sunshine. I think it's supposed to turn bad again during the week, so got to get out and make the most of it all we can. But yeah, hopefully food shouldn't take too long to cook up. Just waiting for the water to come to a boil, and I'll get the rice in there, cook up some chicken and the sauce, and we'll be good to go. So stick with us and see how we progress. It is an absolutely beautiful day on the North Devon coast. Just have a quick look. It's starting to cloud up a little bit, but it's still nice. Food should be ready in about 10 minutes, so I'm going to sit down and enjoy that in a minute, so I'll catch up with you in a sec. Right guys, we are all packed away. Food was lovely and now we're getting ready to head off, so I guess we'll catch you on the next one, so take care. We'll see you soon.